Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 21. Which tense expresses an unfulfilled past intention, often with was/were going to? A. I was going to call you, but I forgot. B. I called you, but I forgot. C. I am calling you, but I forget. D. I will call you, but I will forget. Correct answer, I was going to call you, but I forgot. Past be going to. Question number 22. Which sentence uses the past perfect continuous tense to show an action that was ongoing before another past action? A. They were tired because they ran. B. They were tired because they had been running. C. They are tired because they run. D. They will be tired because they will run. Correct answer, they were tired because they had been running. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 23. Which tense is used for actions that are always true, scientific laws, or general statements? A. The sun rises in the east. B. The sun is rising in the east. C. The sun rose in the east. D. The sun will rise in the east. Correct answer, the sun rises in the east. Simple present tense. Question number 24. Which tense is used to talk about scheduled events, like train timetables? A. The train is arriving at 3 p.m. B. The train arrived at 3 p.m. C. The train arrives at 3 p.m. D. The train will arrive at 3 p.m. Correct answer, the train arrives at 3 p.m., simple present tense. Question number 25. Which tense describes an annoying habit, often with always? A. He always loses his keys. B. He is always losing his keys. C. He always lost his keys. D. He will always lose his keys. Correct answer, he is always losing his keys. Present continuous tense. Question number 26. Which tense describes a series of completed actions in the past? A. I woke up, ate breakfast, and left for work. B. I am waking up, eating breakfast, and leaving for work. C. I have woken up, eaten breakfast, and left for work. D. I will wake up, eat breakfast, and leave for work. Correct answer, I woke up, ate breakfast, and left for work. Simple past tense. Question number 27. Which tense expresses a spontaneous decision? A. I will help you with that. B. I am helping you with that. C. I help you with that. D. I helped you with that. Correct answer, I will help you with that. Simple future tense. Question number 28. Which tense focuses on the result of an action, not when it happened? A. She broke her leg yesterday. B. She has broken her leg. C. She was breaking her leg. D. She breaks her leg. Correct answer, she has broken her leg. Present perfect tense. Question number 29. Which tense talks about two simultaneous ongoing actions in the past? A. While I cooked, he watched TV. B. While I was cooking, he was watching TV. C. While I have cooked, he has watched TV. D. While I cook, he watches TV. Correct answer, while I was cooking, he was watching TV. Past continuous tense. Question number 30. Which tense describes a future action that will definitely be in progress at a future time due to a plan? A. Tomorrow at 10 a.m., I have a meeting. B. Tomorrow at 10 a.m., I am having a meeting. C. Tomorrow at 10 a.m., I will have a meeting. D. Tomorrow at 10 a.m., I had a meeting. Correct answer, tomorrow at 10 a.m., I am having a meeting. Present continuous tense for future arrangements. Like, comment and subscribe.